Hello guys, today I'm going to show you new eras, tips and tricks and glitches. So let's start today's video. Okay, our first tricks works on the squad house. You have to come to the terrace and there will be a tank which is newly added. If you want to go back of it, if you jump, if you prone, you won't. So that what you have to do is just press the crouch button and just move behind it, and you can camp until the enemy come to the top and you can just shock him. Okay, our second trick works near this newly added houses, which is near ruins, and even in some other places there is a bunker inside this house. To go inside that bunker, you have to break these types of doors. And one more thing, there will be two entrance. One is from outside and another is from inside. You should not break that inside entrance, so that you can come over here and hit the person who is camping inside from here itself. You have to come here, crouch and shift to FPP and give some little movement, and you can see through the wall, and even you can fire easily, and the bullets will see you can fire, the bullets will connect to the other wall, and you can use throwables also. So be alert before entering to these types of houses. Okay, our next trick work near these ruins. If the last zone come over here, you can just make a easy dinner by climbing here like this. You have to keep on climbing. After this update, there are so many tips and tricks. Just move front, you have to keep on moving front, and just come over here and prone. No one, literally no one will spot you. You will not get spotted. If you get spotted, just move front over here and go little front and move little backside. Move little backside, and you will be directly teleported here. And here no one will see you, and you can easily kill everyone who are camping here if the last zone come here. Okay, our next trick work near the military base cave. I have marked it on the map. You can see near the first cave there will be some broken tail pieces, and you have to go near that, and you will come directly inside the water. You have to not move your joystick. If you move, you come outside. Just go inside it and press the up button so that you can be floating, and wait until the zone come, and no one will spot you. After the zone comes, move the joystick to left and right, and you will come outside and leave from here. Okay, our next trick work near these types of towers, which is near Novo and even military base. You have to come near this tower and keep on jumping. Press the jump button and pull your joystick to the left and keep on jumping, and you can see this white color dish. You can only come up to here and camp over here until the enemy come. If the enemy come, just surprise him. Okay, this is the main point of our video. This is the biggest glitch in this new era. This is near shooting range cave. Just go inside that cave. I'm taking a vehicle, and you can see there is a secret door. See that? You can see there is a secret door, and literally you can see from here near that shooting range everything. See this, guys, see this. Okay, let us kill this bot. See this, guys. I think we can fire. Yes, we can fire, guys. If we jump, we will directly come outside. Okay, this time let's take our vehicle. Let's take that buggy and go inside. Guys, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Okay, now let's take this buggy and move inside. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Oh, okay, I was stuck over here for the whole match. If I press the exit button, it was not exiting. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.